welcome to our channel Neon Forge. Today we are going to talk about why do we feel pain. To watch more videos on various topics, do hit the like, share and subscribe button of our channel. Pain is an unpleasant sensation that is usually caused by an injury, disease or other abnormalities in our body. It is a warning that something is wrong somewhere in our body. Do you know why do we feel pain? We feel pain if something burns or presses hard on the end of certain nerves, which are known as pain receptors. These receptors are located throughout our body as well as in the skin. Each pain receptor is a part of a nerve which carries pain impulses to the brain. Superficial pain is caused by receptors in the skin. A person can tell the location of the superficial pain as the skin has a large number of pain receptors. It is very difficult to pinpoint the location of a pain in the internal regions because there are only a few receptors there. Sometimes deep inside the body, pain may be experienced that might get transferred to some other parts of the body at some distance from the actual source of the pain. Toothache is one example of such pain. The best treatment of pain is to treat its cause. Some drugs called painkillers can control the pain. Aspirin is one such drug. For controlling severe pain, narcotics are usually used. Interrupting the pathways of the brain or spinal cord can treat long-term or chronic pains. Optimum, morphine and heroin are the important narcotics used for this purpose. These drugs cut off the path of the nerves which carry the pain message to the brain. The biggest disadvantage of these drugs is that they lead to addiction. In modern times, chemists have invented anesthetics drugs and other painkillers having less side effects to deaden pain caused by any disease and injury. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another exciting topic. Take care. Bye bye.